National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for at 11:07 a.m. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Washington and moving northeast at 65 miles an hour.
Listen to this.
Particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards included damage to
tornado warning for southeastern Marshall County in central Illinois.
The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Expect trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Minonk, Toluca, Winona, Cazenovia, Low Point, Benson, and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 22 and 38.
Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Expect trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Minonk, Toluca, Winona, Cazenovia, Low Point, Benson, and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 22 and 38. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois until noon. At 11:07 a.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Washington and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Rutland around 11:30 a.m. Dana around 11:35 a.m. Long Point around 11:40 a.m. Streeter around 11:50 a.m. Interstate 55 between mile markers 193 and 204. Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 47. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect.